Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm trying to replace the third brake light bulb. Let's open the rear boot. So the light bulb is here. First, let's remove the socket first. So let's try to use the plier. Okay, as you can see, it's a black color, so it's burned out. And I find out that this one is different, the lock. So you watch here, it's left, right. This is left, right. It's different position. So right now I only have the LED type. So I will use the LED one for now. Make sure this one is plugged in. Okay. Xài. Phân. Đã xài. That's it for today. If you want to know more about how to maintain this car, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.